This video tutorial shows you Microsoft OneDrive full users guide. This video consists of timestamps I have shown on the screen, so it will make you easy to access this. So head on first heading. What is Microsoft OneDrive? Actually, Microsoft OneDrive is a cloud storage service provided by Microsoft. In it, you can successfully store your files without the fear of being corrupted so that you can access it anytime or anywhere. Moreover, it is also necessary as a fact that most of the PCs have less RAM or storage and they can't afford to keep their files in PC. So they try to find somewhere, so OneDrive is best for it. Actually, this service is provided by Microsoft. Also, other services are provided, but they are from another company. For example, Google Drive is from Google and Mega is another website. But in this video, we will discuss about OneDrive. So I will show you, for example, I have so many files on this PC desktop. This looks my desktop a little bit of clutterable, and if I don't have much space, I want to access them anytime, anywhere. But if I store them in OneDrive, I can access them anytime and anywhere, and I can also delete them from my PC. I will show you second time step, which is Microsoft OneDrive's access, about how to access it. So open your Chrome browser or default browser and type onedrive.live.com and just click on enter to access it. This is the link. And you will be given the Microsoft interface about OneDrive. You can see you will have to sign in, or if you don't have account, sign up in it. I have account, so I will sign in. I will write in my email. Also, I will write password. I will keep on stay signed in, so I will not have to sign in again. Now if I open another tab and type onedrive.live.in, you can see that OneDrive will open without the option of granting sign in from us. And so it is a good cloud storage service. You can see that it is not premium version. It is providing us 5 GB free space. If you want to access premium, we will have to pay for it to and the package I will show you here. And this is the package. It provides us 1 TB space, 100 GB space. It depends on plans. Now I will show you OneDrive. If you click on new, we will be given 5 or 6 options about Word document. So if I click on Word document, I will show you that I will be open Microsoft Word online. So it is a good for people who don't want to install Microsoft Word on their PC. I will type something here. And then if I want to download it, I will click on file and save as, and save it as copy. This means you can use Microsoft Word online. If you click on new, you will find more options. And if you click on upload, you will find files and folders option. If I upload files in it, I will upload this file. And you can see that it is uploaded here. I will show you that it is uploading. And if I go downward, it will be there. So I have uploaded successfully. If I want to download it from there, I can also download it and I can delete it from my PC. How to use it offline? You will find the option there, get the OneDrive app. Click on it and download the app. If you want to download mobile app, you can scan it. And the download will start. Now the download is completed. I will open the setup. It will start to. Once it is completed, in the background apps, I will click on OneDrive and sign in it. I will just enter my email address and it will not demand password from me. It will ask a few options. I will accept all the options here. I will don't send optional data. Just accept all the options here. And open the OneDrive folder I will show you here. It will take a little bit of time. Now I will accept all the options. And I will open my OneDrive folder and show you that all the files are stored here which I have stored. So this was all about OneDrive. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and make sure to thumbs up for